please do consider subscribing. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please do consider subscribing. So today, as per the title of the video, I'm giving you a tour of my single room. So this is the thing. I want to do some little makeovers. I'll also show you something I bought for my kitchen. So I want to do a little bit of makeovers here and there. So I want to show you how my house looks like the before, and I'll also share an updated house tour. Okay, so there's not so much going on in the house, but I'll show you regardless. So let's just start the video. Okay, please do watch till the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to like give some ideas, I'm open to them. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing that you meet up with, it's my curtain when you enter into my house. So this is my door, you see? So that's my door. So the first thing that you'll have to meet up with, it's my curtain, okay? So this is my curtain. I bought it along the road. It was just a hawker. He was selling it at 250, but I got it at 200. Kawaida yako bageni Mkikuyu. Sicheze na sisi. So yeah, I got it at 200, and let me tell you, I love it because it's so long, so I don't mind even the color, although it's not what I wanted. The other thing you'll meet up with, it's these 3 jerry cans. Obviously, I'm in a single room, okay? You have to have jerry cans in your house, okay, to fetch water outside so that you can have your water inside. And a house that doesn't have water can't be managed. So yeah, that's my 3 jerry cans. Obviously, I do put my mopper over this side. So the other thing that you'll meet up with, it's my doormat. This doormat, I also got it at Kawangware, by the way. So if you want me to share on how you can shop at Kawangware, by the way, because I know how hectic it can be shopping for your household items, but yeah. So obviously there's also this bucket. So this is where I do all the shenanigans. Wait a minute. So this is where I do all my shenanigans. Like, I do charge my phone over here. You can see my socket is over here. I do put my ring light over here. Nachemshanga maji ya koga with this jug. I stole it from my mom. Atumi na ataki kunipea niliiba. So yeah, I got that jug from her, and she doesn't know. Anafikiria bado iko kwake. So if you want also carpets, we do sell carpets, okay? We do sell carpets. So you can DM me, by the way. We have good quality carpets from Prolific Carpets. So if you want carpets at Prolific Carpets, they will give you the best carpets, curtains, and other home decors. So just text me. So hey, Elaine. Anyway, so this is my buckets za kufua. Those are my dirty clothes. Nilifua jana but zimeshaanza kujaa. So these buckets one naziweka hapa because I feel like it's okay over there. And obviously my pegs over there. So here niko na doormats. You can see I have other things down there. So hapa ndo nekeleanga like my clean doormats and my other things that I don't want to use. Ziko hapo. So Saidia TikTok wameshinda kuniuliza, where do you put your clothes? Where do you put your clothes? You guys are lucky. I don't show them where I put my clothes. So I do put my clothes in these laundry bins simply because I don't want to buy a wardrobe for my clothes, because I know I'll be moving to a bed sitter and I'll look for one that has the wardrobe for my clothes. So I don't want to stress myself, by the way. I'm okay. Ukiniona na hizi laundry bin, just know this girl, she's okay. She's at peace. She doesn't care about what people will say. Okay? So that's where I put my clothes. All those clothes are clean. Clean girl. So when you move to this side, unaona tumefuatana tuko line. When you move to this side now, let's start from here. Let me just show you. So this is my shoe rack. The reason as to why I bought this shoe rack, hizi bags nilikuwa nimezihanga hapa, and to me that wasn't like my taste. Hata kama niko kwa single room, I'll have to force myself to feel comfortable. Okay, so I thought of getting this shoe rack. Nilikuwa na this idea, but the fundi that I was going to hakukuwa anajua hii idea, and I was so stressed. So while I was just moving around go home, this fundi alikuwa ametengeneza kai, but it was a color purple one and they didn't want that, so tukaongea naye akanitengenezea white. So just look at it, okay? This is the area that I've put my essential, and let me tell you, I feel so good looking at this shoe rack. I can't lie to you. It's a shoe rack, yes, but it can serve all the purpose that I want, period. So, nilinunua hii. Nikaamua kuweka my essentials over here because my essentials, if you look at the previous videos, zilikuwa kwa box pale chini and I didn't like it, okay? So ndo hizi makeup zangu of which I don't apply that makeup that much. My watch, my sunglasses, my Bible, and my notebooks, okay? So these are my handbags. Aki napenda kwenye ziko. I don't care if this is a shoe rack or mama, I don't care. So my shoes over here, I don't have that much shoes, okay? So also ka braid palette tuna maintain, tutarudi salon very well. So yeah, that's how that place looks like. Mtu asikudanganye. If you feel like arranging your house the way you want, so please do. Okay? So you see the way that shoe rack looks like. Okay. So if I get out of the bathroom, wanakuja tu hapa, I dress myself because kuna oils hapa, my clothes are over there. So you see, it's organized. Okay? Another thing is that I bought this doormat also at Kawangware. All my doormats nilizipata Kawangware. And you get them at 300 or 400. Mtu asikudanganye. The white ones, I also got them at 300, okay? And they are so heavy, by the way. Okay, so hapa, this handbag, okay, ikona pads almost. Hey, nimemix vitu hapo. Anyway, so yeah, this is my dressing area. Tukona kadoma hapa. Just look at it. Me, I love my shoe rack, by the way. I love my house. Mtu asikudanganya tiyo sijui. So when you move to this side, let's go. So here's my bed. This is my mattress. Okay? So, mimi huyo, I went to Kawangware, found this throw blanket. It was being sold at 200. And let me tell you, it's so heavy. The material is so good. Mimi huyo nikajua mattress yangu nitaweka hapo throw blankets. You people do put your throw blankets in your beds and all that. I'll decorate my bed more. That's why I'm showing you this house tour. So that duvet, I also got it from Kamkunji, Prolific Carpets and Home Decors. They do have the duvets and all that, and they do sell them at an affordable price. So if you want to get to that person, please do DM me. So this is this bed sheet nilibuy Kawangware, and it's bigger than my mattress. Those two throw pillows nilichukua Kawangware at 50 bob. Imagine, think twice, always have a good sale when it comes to household items sometimes, if they are clearing the sale, okay? So if you want me to share that, I'll also do that. So my top two pillows, I bought them at Kawangware. Obviously that pillowcase ilikuja na duvet. And over here, up here, I'm thinking of changing where my arts are, but let me just show you how they look like so that when I change. So I got those two arts at town. If you're getting two, just talk to that person. Mwambie akuzie mbili at 250, and I don't think they will refuse, okay? Just bargain, because right now zimeanza kushuka bei. So that's my bedside area. That's where we do take the sleep. I'll show you a whole view. So when you come to this carpet, let me show you. You see, in the material, it's so good. So this carpet, I also got it at Prolific Carpets. So yeah, I got it at Prolific Carpets, and you can pay like in installment. You'll take it when you're done paying for it. So yeah, I took it at Prolific Carpets. When you come to this side, this is where I do the cookings, the eatings, the everything. So as you can see, so this is my water. I do refill water because why not? So this gas, I bought this gas, like when you move out, I was moving out with, I didn't have a stove or a gas. So nika tembea, I used to use the stove from my mom's place. But nikatembea nikapata hii inauzwa at, was it at 1300 1500, I think, plus everything like this. Okay, the funny thing is that ilikuwa second hand, but nilipata ikiwa na gas. Niambie iliniserve. It served me very well, okay? So don't kapata don't kai refill na taguno na so 2500, but if you go to the shop directly, they'll sell for you this whole gas at 3500. Okay, so do the math. So over here I want to change this utensils rack. I'll show you the one that I've bought. So hii inataka ikwetu ya veggies, like groceries, my groceries, but I'll do that with you guys. So here my glasses, my cups, my everything, my plates ziko hapa, sinia zangu na tumwiko hapa. Tuko na blue band, my tomato sauce and vitu tu za kupika. And if you're a Catholic, maji ya baraka huwezi kosa, please. So this thing I want to hang it hapa. I'll show you this makeover. That's why I'm telling you. That's why I decided, let me show you a house tour before I do the makeovers, because I'm like, it will look a little bit different. About chini, that's where I put my sufurias, and these are the basins that I use to wash my vyombos. Of course, I do live in a single room. Atunanga sink. So this is the utensils rack that I want to put. It's a 2 steel utensils rack. I got it at 1200 bob. 1200, yeah, 1200. But nilikuwa nimesha compare huko kwa apps zingine nikapata ati 1669. Where is go to these mini marts in your mtas, by the way. Acheni kuzidharau. Because this one I got it at 1200. Kwa apps zote zenye zinauzanga vitu online, it was going for above 1500. And even the guy that I know as nilimuuliza akaniambia ati 1500. I was like, hey, tigawana. So this is my window. So you see, this one I got it at Kawangwari again at 50 bob. Ukienda tao utauziwa iso, ukienda kwingine utauziwa 80 bob. I won't lie to you. So this I got for my birthday gift. From a humble lady. She knows herself. Najua atawachi vlog. So yeah, I'm putting it here. I'm thinking of buying flowers. Nizieke hapo. Artificial ones. Zile zenye zikauki, okay? So obviously this way, hii chupa ya wine ilikuwa ya kudecorate, but venye stima zilipotea nikekelea hapo candle. So it's still there. I'm not ready to remove it. Nothing else. Hiyo ni kadi ya token. And over this side, I have my dustbin and my sweeping brush. So yeah, that's the whole view. That's the whole house. So let me just show you a view without talking. And guys, if you have reached to this point, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm open to corrections. Okay, thank you.